Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most unique American classics of the 1970s, the 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Half muscle car, half pickup truck, the El Camino was Chevrolet's answer to utility with style, blending performance with practicality. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap things up with a conclusion. Exterior. The exterior of the 1972 El Camino is bold and stylish, reflecting the early 70s design language. It shares much of its body with the Chevelle, but with the added versatility of a pickup bed. At the front, you'll notice the quad headlight setup and the wide split grille, which gave it a strong and muscular presence on the road. The 1972 model year also introduced minor design changes, like the reshaped front bumper and updated grille design, making it look even sharper. With long sweeping lines, sculpted sides, and a sporty stance, it was a perfect blend of muscle car attitude and pickup practicality. Interior. Moving inside, the 1972 El Camino offered a surprisingly comfortable cabin for what was essentially a truck. Depending on trim, buyers could get either basic bench seats or more luxurious bucket seats with a center console. The dashboard carried over from the Chevelle, giving it a familiar car-like feel. With round gauges, chrome accents, and wood grain trim in higher models. Even though the El Camino had a workhorse purpose, Chevrolet made sure it didn't feel bare bones inside. Features like air conditioning, AM/FM radios, and even power windows were available, making it just as comfortable for cruising as it was for hauling. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The 1972 El Camino came with a wide range of engine options, giving buyers flexibility from efficiency to raw power. Standard engines included a 250 cubic inch inline-6 and a 307 small block V8. But for enthusiasts, the real excitement came with the bigger options, like the 350, 402, and the legendary 454 cubic inch V8. The top-tier 454 LS5 V8 produced around 270 horsepower in 1972 due to new net horsepower ratings, but don't let the numbers fool you, it still had serious torque and performance on tap. Transmission choices included a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and a 3-speed automatic. With its car-based chassis, rear-wheel drive, and available heavy-duty suspension, the El Camino handled better than a typical truck, yet still offered the practicality of a pickup bed. So, what's the conclusion? The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino was a perfect example of American automotive creativity. It gave buyers the best of both worlds, the style, performance, and comfort of a muscle car, with the practicality and utility of a pickup. Whether you were cruising on the highway, showing off at a car meet, or hauling gear for the weekend, the El Camino could do it all. Today, it stands as a highly collectible classic, loved by enthusiasts for its unique design and versatility. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite El Camino engine option.